What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Mudda Vlog. I know it's been a while. Like I say every single time, it's always been a while. Honestly, I don't vlog as much as I used to, and I know that some of you guys always ask about it and you love it and everything, which is cool. I appreciate the support and everything. So today's vlog, I'm going to be doing a couple just new things to the Supra. Honestly, the Supra's in pretty rough shape, I'm not going to lie, just from driving it across country. You know, basically the kit's all cracked. There's a lot of imperfections in it, but you know, it happens when you daily drive a car. You know, there's a lot of plans I want to do with it, a lot of things I want to do, and I want to start vlogging again, so I'm pushing myself to vlog right now. So yeah, thanks for hearing me ramble. But today or tonight, I'm going to be installing a couple things. They're not painted. Honestly, I'm going to wait to get them all painted. I'm just going to install them, keep them on the car, and then once I get the car resprayed and do like a whole refresh on the car, that's probably when I'll paint everything. As you guys know, I have my ducktail, right, that I've had for such a long time, and it's great, but honestly, like, I loved it in the beginning, and it kind of just, like, I don't know, I just didn't really hit. I honestly, number one, I hated the rivets in the car. I'm dumb for drilling in the trunk. I know, you know, learning lesson, this is what happens, but you live and you learn. I'm actually going to, I already took it off, actually, so yeah, here's the ducktail, right? You know, a bunch of rivets in the ducktail and stuff, and personally, I'm not a huge fan of that. So I decided to get something else while I was gone for a while. So bought some stuff, decided to go with a different route, kind of something more like subtle even than the ducktail. It's still a little lip, but it's a little less aggressive. But I'm gonna stop talking. I'm gonna go ahead and put my camera down, and I'll show you guys what it looks like. Sorry in advance, the in-camera mic is really bad. I still haven't got my mic yet, but I'll go ahead and show you guys what I got. Super simple, just a little lip, basically. Just gonna extend from the trunk. This is what it looks like, well, not on the car, but we'll go ahead and install it and I'll show you what it looks like. But I also got a roof spoiler. Just like, gonna change things up a bit. It's very subtle, sources from Japan. No one, I think, has it right now. From a very small company, and they just started making these, so I saw it on the Supra, and I ended up finding a guy to source it through Japan, and I'm like, you know what, why not? I've been really getting into like the whole roof spoiler with a little lip on the trunk, that kind of like drift setup in a sense, like those drift cars and stuff, so that's kind of what I've been enjoying. So I thought, why not, you know, change things up a bit. And the old, you know, ducktail just kind of, I don't know, just didn't really hit that much anymore. So, and I didn't want to mold it, so maybe these ones I'll mold, and we'll see. But I'm gonna go ahead and might as well install these. That's the whole reason why you guys watch this video, right? Before I install these, there's a lot of imperfections, and honestly, I'm an honest person. Car's not clean anymore. A lot of things I need to do, so the whole car needs to be resprayed eventually. I mean, obviously, the first things first is the holes. I hate it. I literally hate the holes. It's probably really overexposed right now, so I'm going to expose it a little better. But yeah, all the holes, so irritating. And then also, I had to take off the Supra emblem right here. So I don't know if you guys can see, but it's like embedded in the paint. So I had to take off the emblem because the ducktail won't fit over, right? But honestly, don't look at the holes. Oh my gosh, it's so bad. It actually kind of hurts, the fact that I just did this and I was so dumb 2 years ago when I drilled into it the first time. Car's really dirty. So much stuff I have to do. But eventually, I'm going to get this whole car resprayed, redone, everything fixed. Just a lot of things. It's going to be, you know, just a whole refresh. I got to get a new kit and everything. Honestly, the funds are just not there. I mean, yes, I could spend the money, but honestly, it wouldn't be a smart financial decision. Yeah, so just going to install them, enjoy the car, and some more stuff upcoming soon, which I'm hoping to do, hopefully within the next month or so, that I'll be vlogging about. But yeah, whenever I decide to respray the car, then I'll do everything and make it right, and yeah, do it good all over again. But now I'm gonna go ahead and install it. Well, finally got it on. That's what it looks like. Super subtle. It's kind of like a low profile wing, like a little lip, and that was the goal I was going for, kind of like that drift style. And now I gotta throw on roof wing. Well, just finished. As you can see in the background, everything seems to be good. I did adhesive, I did a heat gun. held down on it for quite a while. Did it a couple times, so hopefully it holds and everything. But I'm gonna go ahead and probably go drive somewhere else to do like a couple cinematics and stuff, since I know some of you do enjoy those cinematics. So why not include them? New parts. Eventually, it'll look pristine again. But I'm gonna go ahead and cut to the cinematics right about now.
Yeah, whoa, whoa, yeah, yeah. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I've been off for 25 hours. Yeah. Oh no, one man cut out all that power. Yeah. All I wanted was some nostalgia.